Doctor's appointment.
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. Please have a seat. What symptoms have you been experiencing?
Hi, doctor. I've had this dry cough for about 2 weeks now, and I feel really tired even after sleeping.
Any fever, chills, or night sweats?
Low-grade fever in the evening sometimes, no chills,
Shortness of breath or chest pain?
no chest pain, and breathing is mostly fine except when coughing hard.
Let me check your temperature. 98.9. Normal. Now I'll listen to your lungs. Please take deep breaths.
Okay,
A little congestion in the lower lobes. Have you been around anyone sick recently?
yes, both kids had colds a couple weeks ago. Probably caught it from them.
That's common. Any sore throat or runny nose still?
Nose is clear now. Throat was sore at the beginning.
Sounds like a lingering viral infection. I'll prescribe a short course of antibiotics in case it's bacterial, plus rest and lots of fluids. Over-the-counter cough syrup with dextromethorphan should help.
How long until I'm back to normal?
Most people improve within a few days on treatment. If no better in a week or if fever spikes, come back.
Will do. Should I stay home from work?
Yes, at least until the cough calms down. Get plenty of rest.
Thanks for the advice, doctor.
Of course. Take care.